It's not the ocean, it's Lake Issykul, a hidden gem in the heart of Kyrgyzstan. Cradled by the Tian Shan Mountains, Issykul is one of the world's largest alpine lakes, and it's completely saltwater. The name means warm lake. It never freezes, even in winter. It has very nice steady winds and endless horizons. It's a sailor's dream. Every turn of the sail feels like floating between worlds, sky above and mountains below. Out here, there is no noise, no rush, just wind, water, and freedom. Time slows down or disappears completely. Sailing Issykul is not just a journey across water, it's a journey into silence, into stillness, and into something ancient.